Namaste, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you the 8 techniques which you can use to decalcify your pineal gland. So in my previous video, I have shared with you the 8 foodstuffs which help decalcify the pineal gland. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 techniques which actually help decalcify your pineal gland. Combining the two, you will have really good results. So let's start. So number 1 is to rub turmeric powder on your forehead. So you start rubbing from here, move your way upwards and use your ring finger. Don't use any other finger, use your ring finger. Rub it continuously at least for 4-5 minutes. Make sure you apply ample turmeric powder. So this you do every night before going to bed. So you have that turmeric on your forehead for the entire duration of your sleep. Second method, you can rub coconut oil or neem oil on your forehead again. So same way you have to keep rubbing it. So what happens is essentially when you sleep overnight, those ingredients actually penetrate and then they actually help decalcify the pineal gland. The third method is to actually tap on your third eye. You have to tap it with your middle finger like that, and ensure you tap it here, not here, not here, just where the nose bone ends. That's where you tap, and you keep tapping it with your eyes closed. Ensure that with every tap you feel the sensation and you feel and you concentrate on the tapping, not any thoughts, nothing. And that's you do it for at least 5 minutes every day, or 2 minutes, whatever time you can get, but essentially you have to keep doing it to get better results. Once you do it for a week, you will start seeing some results. The fourth thing, do Khechri Mudra. So I have done a video before about Khechri Mudra. If you haven't seen it, you please click the link above. I have the video link on there. Basically, Khechri Mudra helps decalcify the pineal gland in a very big way. If you do have some issues doing that, please practice first, but practice the other methods which I've discussed, and then you can do Khechri Mudra. It's always better to do it with a guided guru rather than doing everything by yourself. The fifth thing is to actually ditch your sunglasses, because sunlight is the most effective way you can actually decalcify because once the sunlight enters your eyes, even remove your glasses if you're wearing glasses, any glasses, make sure that you gaze at the sun not for long but just for a few seconds. And then also whenever you walk outside, try and have no glasses on so that the sunlight actually enters your eye straight away. That also decalcifies your pineal gland. The sixth thing is actually when you sleep, ensure that you are in complete darkness, because as sunlight helps decalcify, darkness also helps decalcify and raise the melatonin into your body, which helps eventually reduce the decalcification of the pineal gland. The seventh thing is to practice some Kundalini Yoga. Now, when you practice Kundalini Yoga, ensure that you are doing it with a guided guru. Please don't try and do it by yourself, because these techniques or these methods, when you do it, it needs to be with precision, and if you're doing it wrong, it can cause damage to your body. So ensure that you do it with a guided guru, because a guru can actually assess you on the things you're doing, the way you're doing it, if it's right, if it's wrong. He will try and discuss what results you're getting, how you're feeling, everything. So you need to actually be in contact with the guru as well most of the time, because the more you discuss things with him, the better it is for you, because you don't want to create any damage. For doing something good, you create damage. That's not how it should be. And the last item is to actually ditch your fluoride toothpaste and try and drink non-fluorinated water. So I'll just give you an example. So any toothpaste, you might have noticed that there would be some marks here. So any mark, like there's a bar here, which is green. So green signifies that it doesn't have fluoride. Obviously some of the companies have got around the loophole trying to get a green mark even though there's fluoride in it. But always check, always read the ingredients. If there's fluoride, don't use it. So those are my 8 techniques which I think will help you decalcify the pineal gland and enhance your perception about other dimensions, your intuition powers, and also healing powers. So just try those out. Combination of my previous video and this video, I hope it will help you immensely. If you do have any questions on the content I'm creating, please feel free to ask them in comments, and I'll make my best to answer them as soon as possible. But I hope you keep liking my videos and keep subscribing and pass these videos on for people whom you think will benefit from them. Namaste.